Coloring process on titanium header is a combination of chemical engineering, electricity, and art. The end result is a unique metallic color and heat-resistant. Stages. First starts from mixing an electrolyte solution. Gang solution. This is usually made by mixing distilled water with a little soda, cake, or sodium phosphate. This material serves as an electrolyte that allows electric current flowing through this liquid. The dose must be right so that the process running safely and efficiently. Once this solution is ready, electrical appliance. Just prepare you guys, power source. DC direct current used, usually with adjustable voltage. From 10 to 120 volts, this voltage will determine the final color. On the surface of titanium, low voltage will produce gold color, while with voltage, height can produce purple color. Blue, even bright green, ya gangs. Before the dyeing process, header, or the surface must be thoroughly cleaned. Using cleaning fluid or fine sandpaper, the goal is that there's no dirt, oil, or oxidation attached. A clean surface will make the color spread, flat and consistent, gang. If all these processes you guys have done, continuing is the main process, namely the dyeing and anodizing process. Titanium hider connected to pole, positive from the power source, while the cathode, usually made of stainless steel or graphics, connected to the negative pole. Then both will be dipped in a solution. Then after that, stay weighted. Electric current using DC current, you guys. Well, when this current flows, an oxide layer will form, thin on the surface of titanium. The thickness of this layer will also increase. As the voltage increases and the refractive effect of light on those layers produce a certain color. The longer the process lasts, with stable voltage, the deeper and thicker the color my boss produced. Once the color you guys want is achieved, then the current will be turned off and the header removed from the solution. Then for the cleaner to rinse right off, using water, flute to stop reaction and remove any remaining chemicals. The end result is a brightly colored surface, heat-resistant, and not easy to fade. Titanium staining with this technique is often used on high-performance motors, not just because it looks cool, but also because of its durability against extreme temperatures. More or less like that, ya gangs. So, I understand all about the coloring process, header titanium, or materials made of titanium. I hope this information can be useful. Make you all,